Dear students, the topic of my today's lecture is comparison of main technologies of spinning. The major technologies of staple fiber spinning are ring, rotor, air-jet, and open-end friction spinning machine. These technologies are all used commercially and compete with each other for their share of the market. With the largest share by far, ring spinning accounts for more than 80% of the market, mainly catering for apparel applications, both knitted and woven fabric. Air-jet spun yarns find applications in shirting and ladies' outerwear, whereas open-end friction yarns find applications in technical and recycling products, carpets, and home textiles. Rotor yarns are used for apparel, especially denim and knitwear. Now, a brief comparison of these technologies are shown in this table. In this table, we consider ring spinning, rotor spinning, air-jet with twin nozzles, air-jet with single nozzle, and open-end friction spun yarn. The drafting system used in all these technologies are: in case of ring spinning, it is roller drafting system; in case of rotor spinning, opening roller and aerodynamic; in case of air-jet twin as well as single nozzle, we use roller drafting system; and in case of open-end friction spinning, we use opening roller and aerodynamic as in case of rotor spinning. Now, if we compare strengths, in case of ring spinning, mechanical process with drew twist and high fiber migration; in case of rotor spinning, mechanical process, drew twist, surface with wrapper fibers and low fiber migration; in case of air-jet twin nozzles, aerodynamic process, false twist, core twistless, surface with wrapper fibers, less wrapper fibers, low fiber migration; and in case of air-jet single nozzle, aerodynamic process, false twist, core twistless, surface with wrapper fibers, more wrapper fibers, low fiber migration; and in case of open-end friction spun yarn, mechanical process, true twist, low fiber migration. If we compare the fibers we use or raw material, in case of ring spinning, any type of fiber we can run. It is cotton, synthetic, few technical fibers. In case of rotor, it is cotton and cotton blends. In case of air-jet, synthetic and combed cotton. In case of air-jet single nozzle, synthetic and cotton. And in case of open-end friction spun yarn, technical and specialty yarns, synthetic, bast and wool fibers. And this one is a comparison for count range in any. In case of ring spinning, we can spun coarser to finest yarn, that is 4 to 160 Ne. In case of rotor, the count range is for coarser yarn, that is 5 to 40. In case of air-jet twin nozzles, it is somewhat finer than that of rotor yarn, that is 15 to 60 Ne. In case of air-jet single nozzle, it is 8 to 40 Ne. And in case of open-end friction spun yarn, only coarse count we can spun, that is 0.18 to 5 N. And this one is a comparison of speed in meters per minute. For ring spinning, it is 25 meters per minute, which is the lowest among all these technologies. In case of rotor, it is 200 up to 200 meters per minute. In case of air-jet twin nozzles, it is 300. Air-jet single nozzle up to 400. And in case of open-end friction spun yarn, it is up to 300, which is many times than that of ring spun yarn. Now we compare the future trends, the problems associated with air-jet spinning using two nozzles. Have been harsh and rigid yarns, difficulty in spinning cotton fibers, and poor yarn strength. The method of air-jet spinning with a single nozzle developed by Murata can produce yarn up to 400 meters per minute. The problem of generating more wrapper fibers during spinning and consequently improving the yarn strength has been tackled to a major extent by this new technology. The strength of yarn produced from this air vortex spinning technology is considerably higher than that from the previous method, but a little lower than that of ring yarn. The air vortex yarn surface looks like ring yarn. The air vortex yarn surface looks like ring yarn. Air vortex spinning has a potential to replace ring spinning in medium count range. That is 10 to 60 NE. Rotor spinning will expand its market share for yarns in the range of 6 to 20. In the case of 6 to 20 NE for the production of fine and very fine yarns, especially from cotton fibers, ring spinning will continue to dominate the market. Thank you.